Hello dear kids, today we are going to learn very easy coffee painting. This coffee painting is for beginners. Let's start the activity. For this coffee painting activity children, we need paper A4 or A3 size, then coffee powder. It is brew coffee, Nescafe, whatever you are finding at your place. Then water, brushes, types of brushes, flat brush, round brush and the pencil. Now children, first we are going to draw very easy drawing. See, I am drawing this horizontal line. Then semicircle we are going to draw for the sun. Then we are going to show some mountain type of a thing here. And then we are going to show one stone type of a thing or land type of a thing over here. And then we will show the coconut tree. So very lightly we are going to draw the drawing of it. Then we are going to start the coloring. Okay. Now first I am taking this flat brush. With the help of this flat brush we are going to give the wash to this paper, whole paper. uh, what is a coffee painting and how we can use it? See, when we are adding more water, the coffee will be light. Okay, you all know, always our mama say dark coffee and light coffee. So now it is a light coffee. Okay, and when we are overlap this tone on each other, okay, that time it become a dark color, or we are adding some more coffee in it, so we will get the dark color coffee. Now you can find the difference in this. It is a light color, this is a dark color. Okay, so first very lightly we are going to give a coat to the paper. Okay, because whole this paper we are going to use now. Now see children, I used very light color first, then we are going to show a different color, okay, from the sky. Okay, from here we are going to show the different color, because you all know that when the things are near to us, that time it is looking little bit darker. Children, if you are not confident, you can use white tape also to stick this, so your color will not go out. See the color, I am not getting the color which I want, little darker, so I am adding more coffee in it, and see our the tone, dark tone is ready. See, I am adding little color inside here near to the, to give the sky effect, and then we will merge it. Now we are going to color this mountain type of a thing. So first I am giving color from upside. And then we will merge it. See how we are showing in a oil pastel shading, like that only we are doing here, because sun is from here, so this portion will look light and here it will look dark. Now the front side mountains, it will look little darker, so I am adding more coffee in it. I am making little darker tone and I am giving over it. Now see children, to give the more effect we can do like this, because mountains are also having different type of shading. Now here we are going to use some shades to give the water effect. Children, if you are not confident, you can use 0 number brush also to do this. Like this, you can take a small brush and you can give a lines like this. So these lines will show us a water effect. We are going to make a darkest tone of it to show the land portion. See children, how less water and more coffee, when we are adding, we are going to get a darkest tone. So here and in this part of the tree, okay, of a coconut tree, I am going to fill this dark color. And children, if you are not getting the dark color, what we can do, we can give this tone 2 times, okay, in this place. So we will get definitely the dark tone of that particular color. Now children, see, our darkest tone is ready. Children, if you want, you can use 0 number brush also, or 1 or 2 number brush. Now I am using this 2 number brush. Now we are going to draw some leaves of this coconut tree. For that I am going to do this U. Then we are going to draw ulta V. Then we are going to draw 1 or 2 line. Okay, how much space is there, that much lines we can draw. Okay, now we are going to draw some lines of the coconut tree. For that I am using extreme dark color, okay, and I am taking this little bit ahead. Children, if you are finding little difficulty to draw this leaves, what we can do, we can draw with a pencil on another page. Try it and then draw it with the help of brush. Like this I am going to complete all the coconut tree. Let's see, once again I will show you how to draw. In this particular line, around this we are going to draw some lines like this, from this side also and from another side also. Okay, like this we are going to complete our coconut trees. Kept this coffee. Now children, see, we have got the extreme darkest tone of the coffee. Now where you want, now see, I have given here. If you want, you can give over here, okay. Like this we are going to color this remaining picture. Now we are going to add some water in it and we are going to show some birds over here. And I am adding little more tone of a water over here. I am giving shadow here of the trees. Like this you can give the shadow of a tree where we can see the trees, like this, because sun is from front side. Okay, now if you want, children, we can add more beauty in it. We can give a extreme dark tone from this outer area, okay, or if you want, you can keep it white only. I am giving this tone over here. Now children, see, our this scenery with the help of coffee painting is ready.